Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amex app how to dispute a charge. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to dispute a charge on an American Express or Amex card directly through the app, what you need to do is just simply head over and launch the American Express application. Then simply tap on login and type on the user ID and enter in your user ID. Then tap on password and then simply tap on login. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the card where the charge appears, and then once you are there, scroll to your recent transactions and find the charge you want to dispute. Then once found, all you gotta do is simply tap on the transaction, and then once you tap on it, you find an option that says dispute transaction or report a problem. Simply select that, and now follow the prompts and explain why you are disputing and add supporting details if needed. Once done, all you gotta do is submit the dispute and you'll get a confirmation and case number in the app, and Amex may contact you for additional info as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.